In this video, we'll be showing you how you can change a PDF file into a URL link. As you can see, this is the PDF file that I want to convert into a link. So first, go to your Google Drive and then add this PDF file or upload it to your Google Drive. So just click the new here and then click the file upload. Now select the PDF file that you want to convert into a link and just wait for this upload. And as you can see, it is now uploaded. Now click the three dotted icon here and then click the share button and then click the share here. Now this button will now generate a link. And as you can see, you just need to click this restricted and click the anyone with the link. So the copy link will now appear. Once you copy this link and then add a new tab, let's test this, then paste it into the new tab, the PDF file will open automatically as a link. And that's it. That's how you can convert or change your PDF file into a link, and thank you for listening.